Before we make sail, you should know that we have a few rules upon this ship. For a safe voyage, there may be no sitting on the outside rail or placing of young sailors upon them. Ahoy, shipmates! We're just cleared the busy port of New Orleans and beginning our journey into the great American wilderness. Our vessel for this voyage is the proud sailing ship Columbia, the first American ship to carry the stars and stripes around the world. She's a 10-gun, 3-masted merchant ship. It was back in 1787 that she first set sail from Boston Harbor, going all the way around the Horn and sailing onward to the Pacific Northwest, Hawaii, and China. In the 3 years it took us to make that journey, the Columbia was more than just a ship to us. She was our life and our home. Forward amidships is the main hatchway leading below decks, where you may see how we lived and worked on the high seas. The galley, captain and crew's quarters are open for your inspection. For the rest of you, we invite you to stay up on deck, feel the wind in your face, and experience the wonders of this land we now know as America. Our fair ship, the Columbia, was one of the first American vessels to explore the Pacific Northwest. It was in 1792 that this very ship braved a sandbar and discovered a mighty river, which we named the Columbia, after the first ship to sail our waters.
Like Disneyland's being put back together again, you guys.
Oh, so happy.
Yeah.
Oh, I love when people clap at the end of a ride.
I know. We got the end of Splash Mountain down here. They had a good ride. Everybody clapped.
So fun.
full-blown pirate ship, guys.
Just ahead is the most
Yeah, they use it in
treacherous
Fantasmic.
part of our journey.
Oh yeah, this is
Island
the
on
pirate ship
starboard
from
side often hides the
Fantasmic.
Okay, look at the new path.
Bowman, and the starboard
Oh,
topsail
yeah.
cannon and prepare to
You got
fire
the new
a warning
path down
shot.
here.
Hungry, or
Furious
what do you want to call
pirates
this?
near the shore. Below are very hard.
Critter
Those
Country
of you around the
Trail.
cannon best be stepping back. Way back. For the cannon should be a mite loud, and the gunner's aim be a mite cool.
Oh, this is way
Be
cool.
ready to fire one.
Hello! You got some old friends down here.
Do we?
Yeah, they're waving.
Oh, I didn't even see. Hi, guys. This is great.
This patio.
Ah!
Woo!
Now, that should put some fear in them. Looks like we're safe for now. But I
That
ask
was
all
cool.
crew and passengers to keep a weather eye out. We don't want the
Columbia,
Jolly Roger flying
canoes,
above
all
this
three in
fine
one place
ship.
at one time.
The train. Got it all right here. What a cool view coming around this corner, and the timing of the train being here right now.
When we travel this far upriver, our
So
ship
this is the
often
new
draws
trestle.
the attention of the local tribes. Look there. The chief has given us a sign of peace, which means we will be granted safe passage.
In no time, we'll be in Star Wars land.
What's amazing is that you don't even know that on the other side of that is Galaxy's Edge. You would never know.
That's what Disney does such a great job at, just dividing the space. I mean, everything is...
How did you get up there? No? Okay.
Yeah, they do. They do such a good job of separating the areas. They're all tied together with themes. I love the waterfalls too. It's the new railroad trestle. Come on, God, they just built it. Easy.
Wichasha ohidikaki dikta yuka waduka cha akanuki echina kiyaya Wichasha kiyaya
Oh, the fish jumped.
Just ahead, a tribe of Plains Indians has set up camp by the river. Since they have no written language, tribal leaders like that wise shaman on the bluff over there pass down their wisdom and knowledge through stories. All hands on deck. Stand by to go ashore. Yardman aloft, into the foot ropes. Furl the top gallants. Down with the flying jib. Make ready the bow anchor. Stand by all lines. Stand by the bow line, port side. Let go the bow anchor. Let go the kedge. Crew, it's been a pleasure serving with you aboard the sailing ship Columbia, the first ship to carry the stars and stripes round the world. You've been a fine crew, and we hope you'll be sailing with us again soon. All hands, prepare to go ashore!
Erica was just saying that her son Atticus loves Tom Sawyer Island. So she was really impressed by how undisturbed everything looks, and it just looks as it should be. And
It makes my heart happy. And Atticus is gonna be super stoked.
so cool to see all the changes from this perspective, because we've been on Tom Sawyer Island, but we haven't gotten to see it from this perspective yet. So
And we went on the train, and you can't see quite everything from the train.
The height of the Indians.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They're tall. They're at least 7 feet tall.
Well, no, but they're.
I bet they play ball.
I bet they play ball.
Yeah.
Their location in
yeah,
yes.
like elevation.
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
the elevation of the chief up there. You could see the intent to really divide the two different lands of Star Wars land and
Galaxy's Edge.
Oh yes, thank
on.
you.
A wonderful privacy. Very upscale. Well thought.
Yeah.
And the sight line will be totally. You won't see any of Galaxy's Edge.
No. You can see the crane.
Well, currently, yeah.
Yeah, but it just kind of gives you a little bit of a perspective on how
Look at that little boy.
you're really not going to see anything.
Oh.
He's just so cute. Yeah, I'm helping.
Oh, come on, guy.
Come with us and experience Disneyland. Subscribe below and follow us as we try to start a Disneyland running group. Every Saturday we post new videos from our bi-weekly trips to the parks. If you're traveling to Disneyland, come run with us. Get all the latest info at No Strings Running on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.